So the drones fly over the land and they're collecting large data sets, and it's being used to make decisions. And often what we see is they can make decisions up to 5 years earlier than they would if they didn't have that information. When we look at the challenge that's out there, you've got a loss of biodiversity 10 times higher than it's been in the last 10 million years. You've got carbon dioxide increasing in the atmosphere and 2 billion hectares of degraded land. And so we have approached this by combining ecologists, drones, and data science all together to provide a holistic response. We can't afford to just restore trees, monoculture. We need to look at the full ecosystem as a whole. Biodiversity ecosystems are what support agriculture, tourism, communities, livelihoods. It's so important for everything, from every little insect up to big mammals and every plant in between. Earth started with around 6 trillion trees. We now have around 3 trillion trees. Each time they get chopped down and not replanted, we're effectively just chopping off a little bit of the lung. We know that there is space for around 1 trillion trees. Now, 1 trillion trees would sequester 2/3 of anthropogenic carbon, which would really take us a long way to coming back to a sustainable Earth.